I'm Denise Dinsay, and welcome to The Score, where we tackle the hottest and trending topics in sports. The country's best and finest women's volleyball players return to action this weekend for the Premier Volleyball League All-Star Game. Reigning PVL Open Conference MVP Eliza Valdez and former PVL MVP Myla Pablo will lead the respective squads in what could be another explosive encounter to kick off this year's PVL season. And to tell us more about the upcoming PVL All-Star Game is Nicole Tiamson of Banco Perlas and Gemma Galanza of the Creamline Cool Smashers. Welcome, Tiami. Welcome, Gemma, to The Score. It's so great to have you here.
Thank you.
Now, Team Eliza and Team Myla. Kiami, you're for Team Eliza,
yes,
and Gemma, you're for Team Myla. Pero I wanted to talk about your team first, Kiami. Parang reunion ng UP Lady Maroons ng season 79. Kasama Nicole, you, Kathy, Coach Jerry, and Isa. How do you think that dynamic will work?
Actually, ngayon lang ulit kami magkikita eh. Kasi after 2 years, well, si Coach Jerry kasi naging coach na rin namin sa bangko ng reinforcement. Pero with Isa, inside of the court, after 2 years, ngayon lang ulit. So it's gonna be fun and nakaka-excite kasi ngayon lang ulit kayo magsasama sa loob ng court.
Parang reunion na.
Yes.
And Gem, I wanted to talk about yung setters. We've got two very interesting combinations. Now sa team nyo, it's going to be Gia Morado and Jem Ferrer. Like a deadly combo. And then sa other team naman, kila Tiami, it's Dina Wong and Chi Saed. So how do you think those two combinations will play out sa PVL?
Well, Ate Gia and Ate Jem kasi parang nakikita ko same lang sila talaga.
Yeah.
Hindi naman dahil sa galing sila sa Ateneo, but wala. Ate Gia, nung naging teammate ko, as in parang napapawaw na lang ako sa mga sets niya. And every time napapanood ko sa Ate Jem, walang pagkakaiba. Kasi Ate Gia naman talagang idol niya din talaga sa Ate Jem. So, yun. And
kay Dina naman, and Ate Chi, Saed.
Ate Chi, naging teammates ko siya dati sa Lawag. And bilang isang teammate niya, sobrang veterano talaga siya. As in, hindi lang sa pag-set, pati sa blockings. Alam mo, maliit lang siya, pero yung, alam mo yan.
Oo,
alam mo, ang liit niya, pero nabablock ka niya, ganun. Tapos, depensa, so sobrang magugulat ka lang na nakukuha niya. Kahit na may anak na siya, ilan na rin yung anak niya. And Dina Wong naman is bata pa kasi. And ang advantage niya is matangkad. So, may blockings din. And nandun na din yung talino niya sa paglalaro, pero kailangan pa talaga ng experience para mas...
Talaga marami siyang matututunan sa
yes,
Ate Chi.
Buti nga at magkakasama sila eh.
Yeah, pero of course, kung malakas, of course, yung setters niya, sila Gia and Ate Jem, how about you, Tiami? Sobrang you are full of like towers. Like you have also, well, you have sila Michelle Gumabaw,
yes,
Jessie De Leon.
Yes.
How do they fit in to your team?
Magandang combination yan kasi nga, parang all-stars, di ba?
Yeah.
So, lahat ng mga, I mean, it's a good event din na magkasama-sama rin kami. Kahit na magkakalaban kami inside of the court. Pero pag nagsama-sama kami, let's see how we can deliver din talaga. And to think na yung nasa team naman din namin, mga veterans din kasi. It's a mix of may collegiate players din, tapos may veterans. So maganda talagang combination.
So if you can say maybe two na strength ng team nyo talaga coming into the All-Star Game this Saturday, ano yun, Gemma?
Yung strength ng team nyo daw.
Siguro kasi based dun sa lineup, puro bata. So, bata. So,
yung energy.
Oo, yung energy. And, syempre, sa sobrang,
active, no?
Oo.
Yeah.
So, yun.
On fire pa sila talaga. So, kung sila yung medyo bata, how would you say...
Sabi mo matanda na kami. Yung sa amin naman siguro, it's more of, not just power, maybe. Siguro medyo combination plays din naman. Para rin, syempre, para rin maging maganda yung laban din namin. And sabi nga ni Gemma kanina, mga bata. Siyempre yung mga bata na more on power talaga yung endurance nila inside of the court, di ba?
Yeah.
So, sa amin siguro si Ate Gia at saka si Ate Jem lang bahala. Kasi yung talagang, kumaga yung mga bata, gusto lang pumalo ng pumalo. So, si Ate Gia na tsaka
Sila yung magpe-pace sa kanila.
Yan, silang gagan. Kaya siguro sa amin din yung si Ate Jem. Tsaka.
Kasi sila yung mas bata. Okay, guys. But you know, a lot of things are happening dun sa PVL All-Star Game. It's not only the game itself for the fans to watch you guys, all their, idols sa sport. But alam ko, marami pa mangyayari. Yami, do you want to share it with us?
Before mag-game kasi, usually talagang parang last year, meron din kami meet and greet, tapos may autograph signing, and then meron din kaming pag-games together with the fans. Siyempre,
Parang personal experience
personal
talaga.
experience na rin yun. Then after nun, saka yung sa Hero Foundation.
Yes, beneficiary.
And I know it's been for 2 years in a row, so Hero Foundation has been. So guys, why don't you invite, our viewers and of course your fans to watch the game this Saturday?
Sa lahat ng mga kapamilya, sana po abangan niyo po kami this coming Saturday, February 2. Magsisimula po kami ng 1 p.m. Meet and greet po namin and hanggang 4 p.m. na po mag-start po yung game namin hanggang 6 p.m.
Okay, Gemma.
Ayan, magkita-kita po tayo and supportahan niyo po ang Team Alyssa and Team Myla and sana mag-enjoy kayo sa Saturday and cheer niyo po kami.
Sana yung mag-enjoy kayo.
Yes naman.
Yes, kasi para naman
Punta kayo kasi para makita niyo yung mga idols niyo. Yan.
And also for you to thank all the fans kasi of course they've been supporting and loving you throughout this whole time.
Saka yung kahit na natapos na rin yung conference, di ba? So parang maging magandang big start to para sa taon natin.
Okay, thank you so much, Yami and Gemma, for being here, of course, to talk about our All-Star Game this Saturday. Now, when we return, more volleyball as we discuss the upcoming UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament with our guest analysts. Don't go away.